One of the questions that I get on this channel is what's better, to replace a garage door section or replace the entire garage door? And the answer to that is a little bit more complicated than you might think, specifically because a new garage door system is obviously going to cost a lot more. But if you can salvage your garage door with a new section, well, maybe that might make more sense. Of course, how do you know whether you need a new garage door section or a new garage door? Well, we're going to explore that in this video. Let's party. So we're in this brand new community here in the Chino area. Actually, this is Ontario. And so brand new homes, like literally these are new homes. And this particular door link door has two bottom sections that were basically ran into. You can see that dent right there. You can see how, that's really tough. And so it's just a good reminder that garage door accidents happen on a daily basis. Something like this breaks my heart because it is a new community. It's a brand new door. Now the homeowners having to deal with this, clearly this is just something that is unforeseen. The idea that I want to bring out here is that basically just be mindful of, kind of like your garage. In these multi-family homes right here, it's a little tough to squeeze in through. I mean, look, here's my truck right here. And so I'm probably going to have to back up in a strategic way so that way I don't hit any of these garage doors in these beautiful homes. And these are really nice homes. I mean, they're kind of making them look like barn house homes. And so, I mean, I think that's a kind of cool idea. Of course, it's just one of the things that we want to kind of keep in mind when we are helping the community. Sometimes these things happen. We just want to do our best to alleviate these pain points and give our customers good solutions. Now, I want to pause the video real quick, specifically because this garage door sample section is a steel back garage door sample from Safeway. And basically, I just want to show you how you can see here the metal behind the door. This is a steel back insulated garage door. It has polystyrene insulation inside of it. And so this is what you would see inside the garage. And clearly, this is what you're going to see on the outside. This is a flush door, so it does not have a specific pattern like a small square or rectangular square. Rectangular square doesn't exist, but a rectangular style garage door design. This specific door happens to be black, which I don't recommend if you are facing a specific direction of the sun. Nevertheless, you can get it in specific colors. Now, being that for this specific garage door system, this garage door in itself, we decided to go with sections mainly because that's what the customer wanted to do. But hindsight, that is, looking back, maybe it would have been easier for us to simply say, hey, listen, why don't we just get you a new garage door system, a new garage door in itself, and provide you the best pricing possible. The reality is that he decided to go this route based on his financial needs, and I don't think it was the wrong way to go. Nevertheless, I do want to present that if you are looking to replace sections to your garage door, just weigh the cost. Think about how old your door is. Think about the needs of your garage door. For example, this customer, it's a brand new property. In reality, he had a brand new garage door. It was just unfortunate that he had an accident. So in his case, it does make sense to go with a section. Nevertheless, if you are looking at an older door, well, yeah, why don't you go ahead and just spend the money to get a new garage door? That way you can look at the long-term benefits of having new sections, a new look, same paint, same body style. There's just a lot of benefits. This is just something I just wanted to kind of interject in this part of the video, so that way you can make a better buying decision.
Garage door accidents or issues like the one in this video happen on a daily basis. One of the reasons why they happen so often is because of the photo safety eyes or the safety reversing sensors. These OEM sensors are fundamentally flawed. Normal garage door sensors are installed only 6 inches above the floor on the garage door tracks. At that placement, they can't defend against open trunks, protruding bumpers, or high trailer hitches. That's why we recommend Infinity Shield. Infinity Shield is the next level garage door safety reversing sensor. Their sensor covers the entire spectrum of the garage door opening. It's literally an infinite shield of protection that can detect any obstruction. Infinity Shield can provide you protection from your garage door damaging your car. The best part, it can be installed in minutes. The setup is easy for pros and even DIYers. Thus, if you're ready to upgrade your garage door safety sensor needs, then visit the link below, and a big thanks to Infinity Shield for sponsoring this video.
Now, it's important that I highlight here that when you are replacing garage door sections for a new garage door or any garage door, it will not be perfect. There's a certain imperfection that will clearly be noticeable on the paint. It'll be noticeable, perhaps maybe even some of the designs. A lot of these garage door manufacturers upgrade the design to their patterns, their raised patterns, the way these sections look, whether they're short panel or long panel. But nevertheless, it's a solution that when this customer reached out to us, this was the only way, or I don't want to say the only way. This was the way that he decided to go with, even though we did offer him a new garage door system. I know that's easy for me to say in the sense that if we're offering a new garage door system, a new garage door in itself, it's going to cost a lot more. So this cost was probably maybe a third of that. Nevertheless, it was an option that we did provide him. And at the end of the day, we just want to help our customers with the solutions that they need. I don't necessarily feel that going with sections is a bad thing either. New garage door sections will definitely help mitigate cost. And of course, if you're looking to rent a property or flip a property, or you're just trying to get the garage door working safe so you can sell the property, yeah, that might make sense as well. But just keep it in mind that whenever you are looking at replacing garage door sections, these are some of the challenges. These are some of the things that you'll encounter.
Is your garage door a safety hazard? Don't wait till your next expensive garage door accident to happen. Download our free garage door safety scorecard and check for potential dangers like faulty sensors, worn torsion springs, and more. Get peace of mind and keep your family safe. Click the link in the description below and get your free garage door safety scorecard today.
Now, the pro tips, techniques, and ideas in this video should not be considered law or infallible. Why? Well, because I'm nobody. But at the same time, it's important for you to do your own homework, your due diligence to find out whether it makes sense to go with a new garage door system or a new garage door. Now, on this channel, we have a number of videos that go over the benefits of maintaining and even doing your own safety inspection on your garage door system. And you can do that with one of our free resources. So you can check out that video right here. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.